Bread, eggs, and sausage. Right now, we'll prepare the perfect breakfast. We break 2 eggs into a large bowl. Add 40 milliliters of milk, salt, and pepper to taste. It's best if you grind the pepper yourself. With a whisk, mix all the components of our omelet. Make sure to beat it well so that all of the ingredients are mixed together. Take 2 slices of whole grain toast and put some butter on top. Spread it evenly in a small layer over the entire surface. This will make the bread nice and crispy. Put a frying pan over a low heat and put the toast with the butter face down. Very soon it will begin to melt, and then there will be a nice crust forming at its surface. Let's prepare 4 sausages. Pre-remove them from their casing and cut off the ends and cut them into 2 pieces. Next, we take 2 small ripe tomatoes off the branch. Each tomato is cut carefully into a circle. To keep the juice from leaking out, we use an especially sharp knife. Next, it's time for the greens. For this dish, we'll cut green onion very finely. It will give the necessary sharpness to the taste. It's time to turn over the bread. One side is already perfectly cooked. A crust is formed. Now we need to fry it on the other side. We put the sausage into the pan and press them slightly so that they cook a little faster. Fill the remaining space with the sausage. It looks very appetizing, but that's not all. Pour the egg mixture into the pan. Soon it will start to fry, and then turn into an omelet with a magnificent filling. Put the tomato slices on top of the sausages. We'll do the same on the other side. No delicious omelet would be complete without cheese. We'll need a couple of slices. Put them on the tomatoes and cover the pan. Leave for 3 to 4 minutes. And now, let's add the greens. Yellow, red, and green are such a very cheerful combination of colors. Using a spatula, we can carefully divide the dish into 2 parts. We need to pick up the bread and cover the sausages with it. Repeat the same with the second portion. Let's take a look at this gorgeous slice. So much juicy filling and a crispy crust on top. As you can see, it's not difficult to cook a delicious breakfast. Good luck!